Are you getting sick or infected very often? Are you tired or feeling fatigued very fast? Do you have joint pains, back pains, or bone pains? Are you feeling depressed also? And plus, you are suffering from the hair loss, or you are having pain in all of your body, like you can't pinpoint this pain, but you are having a kind of muscular pain in your body. These are the some of the signs that I have told you. If you are having two or three also of these signs, this means is the time you should have a checkup of vitamin D3, because these are the symptoms of vitamin D3 deficiency. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek Joshi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Vitamin D is very important vitamin among all of the vitamins, but it is always underestimated or people even don't know about this. Vitamin D is not only a vitamin, actually it works as an hormone. Its effect are like hormone effect in our body. So in this video, we'll try to understand the causes and how to balance it. The main important thing is the causes and the symptoms. Symptoms I have described. Now let's understand who are on the risk side of vitamin D deficiency. First of all, if you are above 35, this means you are under the risk of vitamin D deficiency. If you are plus 35 and you are having these symptoms, I will suggest to go and have a checkup of vitamin D deficiency. If you are living in a country where the sun is very less, means it occurs very rarely, or your own exposure to the sun is very less, means you go to the office, you work, then back to the home in the evening, the exposure of the skin is very less with the sun. This can cause vitamin D deficiency in our body. The another cause is if a person is obese. Now, how obesity can cause vitamin D deficiency? Actually, all the cells inside our body has the receptor for vitamin D. Yes, it is one of the unique vitamin for which all the cells of our body has the receptors to absorb it, because every cell in our body needs vitamin D. So what happens is the fat cells of our body, they need more vitamin D. So what they do is they absorb this vitamin from the blood. So if a person is fat, this means that he has more fat cells. So these fat cells will require more vitamin D. They will absorb the vitamin D from our bloodstream. So that's why it will cause in the depletion of the vitamin D in our body. One of the cause may be if you are vegetarian and not using the dairy products, or not if a person is not vegetarian, he can eat meat, but he is not eating lots of fish in his diet. This can also cause in the vitamin D deficiency. If you are vegetarian, go with the dairy products. If you are not vegetarian, then fish should be in your diet. One more reason is if a person is having dark skin. This also causes the vitamin D deficiency. Now, how it can cause the vitamin D deficiency is because the melanin reduces the skin's ability to make the vitamin D. And as we know that melanin is very important to make the color of the skin, it gives the darkness. So if it's more, this means the ability of the body to make vitamin D will be less. So this causes vitamin D deficiency in the body. Now, how to fix it? First of all, you should go for the blood test and should be confirmed that you are having deficiency of vitamin D. Then you should take vitamin D supplements. Now let's come to the doses. Dose is from 1000 international unit up to 60,000 international units. I in my practice use up to 50 or 60,000 international units, but it is individual. I will recommend you to consult your doctor for the dose. But it's my own view that the minimum dose should be from 5,000 to the 10,000. Now you'll be thinking that 5,000 it's too much, or 10,000 no, it's too much, but it's international units. If you convert international units into milligram, it's going to be 10,000 international units is equal to 1 gram. So it's not too much. It just the units has been changed. So don't worry about the units. You can take up to like 10,000 international units, but I will say to start with the 5,000 and then slowly you can increase it. But better to consult your doctor for the particular doses. But if you don't want this and you want to just start at 1000 international units, and that's all, you can start with this. So these are my recommendations for vitamin D3, and always remember this is very important. Even I have treated my patients just by giving vitamin D3. That's all. They were suffering from severe illness from a long time, and I just, as I gave this vitamin, they started having effect just in 2 to 3 days. So this is a vitamin which gives so fabulous results. So I will recommend to use it and always stay healthy.